is going on, everybody? Dan Unfiltered checking out. Mamaleek? Couldn't tell you. This is Boiler Room. This comes from Patreon. Peter, appreciate you, homie. It's kind of tough to say quickly. Mamaleek. That's a name. Let's go with it. Is it just me, or is he doing a poetry jam? He is. And the cymbal and the bass. Very smoky jazz bar. Let's see where it goes. Never mind. What the hell is going on? What the fuck is happening right now? Because now we're back again, smoky jazz, and he's clearly doing a jam. This is a poetry jam. It just is. Slam? Slam? Jam? Whatever. You know what the fuck I'm talking about. But then was that the chorus that just happened? The rage portion. Was that the chorus? The bloodthirsty rage. I guess that was the chorus. And then we went right back. What is happening? I don't... It's like a nightmarish acid trip. It's like the sound of PTSD. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is going on? What the hell just happened? That was one of the weirdest 6.5 minutes of my entire life. And I've had some weird 6.5 minutes. This is up there. What the fuck? It went from parts of it had that poetry slam, jam, whatever it's called, session vibe to it. And then we had moments of relentless rage. Kind of sounded like what you imagine the sound of PTSD to be. And then the last, I would say 2.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. The vocals, the singer sounded like he had a concussion. Like he was singing with CTE. I don't know what the hell was going on. That was easily one of the strangest things I've ever heard. Beginning to end. That was crazy. Entertaining. That's for sure. You can't listen to that and say you were bored at any moment. I had no idea what the hell was happening or about to happen or just happened. Peter, what the fuck? Oh, man. Holy shit. I would love for them to do this live, actually at like a coffee jazz smoke shop. Smoke shop? Yeah. I would like to see that. And actually do this. Because the audience would be perplexed, baffled, and low-key amazed Mamaleek, holy shit. Hit like, subscribe if you are new. My God. Definitely. Oh, this is definitely one of those songs. Do not listen to, especially the first time, on acid or any type of hallucinogen. I would highly advise not to. Because this could send you down a bad path mentally. Probably pretty easily. It might do it while sober. Like, fuck. You probably shouldn't have a wine cooler and then listen to this for the first time. Still might go left. But hit like, Peter, appreciate you, homie. If you are still here. Jesus Christ. You are a real one.